Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter and I'm coming live and direct from Karura Forest. If it's your first time you're seeing this YouTube channel, please make sure you support the channel by subscribing. Let me give you 5 seconds of subscribing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for subscribing. Let's take this journey together. I'm exploring the forest. You can see there are footpaths, and I hope you enjoy this experience. Let's interact in the comment section down below, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. The map of Karura Forest. Doing some cycling in Karura Forest. It's like a form of exercise or unwinding. So it's your first time seeing this video, subscribe. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm in Karura Forest, and this is not my first time. If you have not seen my first vlog of Karura Forest, I will suggest the video somewhere here, so you can first go and watch my vlog. I was doing cycling. Today I'm also doing cycling, but I'm hoping to explore more places of Karura Forest. And if it's your first time you're seeing this funny face, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, that's the only way you can support me. Thanks. This is a road leading to the Rimuru Road gate. I'm coming from Kiabu Road gate. I'm accompanied by just me. It's an amazing experience. So I'm just doing cycling, and I'm hoping to go to a place that has a waterfall. I hope you are enjoying this video. If it's your first time you come across this channel, before you watch the video, make sure you support by subscribing. I would really appreciate, because actually that's one of the ways you can support this amazing channel. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's explore together. So once you come to Karura Forest, you can choose to walk, or you can hire a bike like this one. This is my ride for just 500 Kenya shillings for 2 hours. It's just an amazing place. Yeah, you can see This is the Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai was a former cabinet minister and a Nobel Peace Prize winner. He used to champion a lot for planting of trees, and he actually fought for this forest when it wanted to be invaded by the land grabbers. They wanted to grab the forest and do their own personal investments, and Wangari Maathai went against that, and the forest survived. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the African tissue, or in our local language, which is Kikuyu, maigoya. This works more better than the store-bought tissue paper, or I mean toilet paper. This one. Yeah. This is the African toilet paper. Nature survival. So if you're in a forest and you want to relieve yourself for a long call, don't wonder you are going to get the tissue paper. Just spot this kind of tree or plant or vegetation and you're sorted. Here. Food for thought or tips for camping. So for bicycle trails, they give direction. So I'm going to follow this trail for the bicycle. So niko goya uga atiriri SD card ino ya kwaria ino ni nguthii kuruta mugambo na mena percentage yake 68 kamera ni ukuhora iyo ya portrait imwe tiguo. I'm not even sure where it heads to, but here in Karura Forest you can never get lost. Once you get lost, there's like a main road over here, so you just cross like among these in between these trees, and you go to the main road. But it's good to explore new areas. I'm currently shooting this video. It's around 4:23 East African time on a Sunday, 18th of June. And to all the men out there, happy Father's Day. And I came to notice that men are somehow forgotten, because when it was Mother's Day, statuses or Facebook posts, Twitter, people are posting their mothers. But today, I've not seen somebody posting their dads. Guys, remember to appreciate your dads. They have sacrificed a lot for us to get where we are, you know. And I was reading a certain article where they compared dads to like a tractor that is constructing the road. You know that road that you use every day. It was constructed by people who used tractors. That tractor will never be remembered. Same case to a dad. Once you have raised your kid, after that, somehow most of the people forget, which is somehow bad. They say you should keep the trail. Make sure you are following this trail. You should not enter these areas. This is the wildlife area, and they say you respect and follow the designated paths, which is this, and it has been marked with this. You're not supposed to pass through this thing. Yeah. So make sure you're following this trail and you go this way.